In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WordPress comment field. Whether you're managing a blog, a business site, or a personal portfolio, interacting with your audience is an essential part of keeping your site active and engaging. WordPress provides a powerful and flexible way to moderate comments, helping you maintain a clean, respectful, and spam-free environment for discussions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access, manage, and customize your comment settings in WordPress, ensuring your site remains a welcoming space for visitors to share their thoughts. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you'll find a registration link in the description below. Signing up is quick and easy, so make sure you check that out to follow along. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open your internet browser and navigate to the main WordPress website. Once you've reached the homepage, look for the login option, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the login page. Here, you can either enter your account credentials, your username and password, or, if you prefer a faster and more streamlined method, select the Continue with Google button to log in using your Google account. This option makes the authentication process quick and straightforward, especially if you're already signed into Google. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, look for the Comments section. It's usually easily accessible within the Admin Dashboard menu. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where all comments submitted by visitors are displayed. This section is designed to give you an organized view of all the feedback left on your site, making it much easier to manage and moderate discussions. Once you're in the Comments section, you'll notice a variety of options available to help you manage the interaction on your site. You can approve comments to make them publicly visible, reply to engage directly with your audience, or edit comments to correct typos or remove inappropriate content. You can also view the comments history to track any changes that may have been made, mark comments as spam to prevent irrelevant or harmful posts from cluttering your site, move comments to the trash if they're no longer needed, or even like comments to show your appreciation for a visitor's input. All of these tools are designed to help you interact with your audience while keeping the quality and tone of your site's discussions aligned with your goals. Now that we've covered the basics of managing comments, let's move on to customizing your comment moderation settings. This step is essential if you want to automate certain moderation tasks or ensure that specific types of content never appear on your site. To begin, click on the Settings option in your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to the Discussion Settings section, which is where you'll find all the tools you need to fine-tune how comments are handled. Once you're in the Discussion Settings, look for the Comment Moderation feature. This is where you can add specific words or phrases that, if included in a comment, will flag that comment for review before it gets published. This is particularly useful for preventing common spam or potentially offensive language from showing up on your site, giving you more control over the tone and content of the discussions. Next, scroll down to the Disallowed Comment Keys section. Here, you can enter words or terms that you want to block entirely. If a comment contains any of these terms, it won't appear on your site at all. This is a great way to maintain a clean and respectful environment for your visitors, ensuring that inappropriate or harmful content never sees the light of day. Once you've customized these fields to your liking, make sure to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This step is crucial because it applies all of your new filters and rules to future comments. Without saving, your changes won't take effect, so don't forget this final step. And there you have it. You now know how to access, manage, and customize the WordPress comment field. By following these steps, you can maintain a welcoming and professional discussion space on your site while keeping spam and offensive content at bay. If you have any questions or tips about managing WordPress comments, feel free to share them in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.